Here's how to cancel your Amazon Prime membership in the Amazon app or on desktop. To start, open the app and tap the middle button at the bottom. Tap Your Account and then scroll down through the list of options to manage Prime membership. Hit Manage Membership at the top of the page, then hit Manage Membership, Update, Cancel, and more. From there, click End Membership, and then scroll down to Continue to Cancel. You can then confirm your cancellation by clicking the yellow button that says End On, the date you're canceling on. If you don't use the Amazon app, here's how to cancel your membership on desktop. Log into your Amazon account on your browser, hover over Accounts and Lists in the upper right-hand corner, and in the menu of options, click Prime Membership. From there, you'll pull up your personal Prime membership page with a collection of plan benefits and options. Then click Manage Membership in the top right-hand corner and click End Membership. From there, review how many days are left in your current Prime billing cycle and click the yellow button on the lower right side of the page that says Continue to Cancel. And that's it.